You just ate a massive double cheeseburger and you feel absolutely fantastic. But the second you swallow that giant lump of food, your body goes into absolute panic mode. That chewed-up burger slides down a long pink tube called your esophagus. It eventually hits a heavy, fleshy vault door at the very top of your stomach. The door swings open and drops the food straight into a terrifying pool of bubbling chemicals. You probably think your stomach just magically melts food like ice out in the hot sun. But if your stomach just let the food sit there, it would take days to break down and you would starve. So your body unleashes a massive, coordinated army of chemical ants to do the dirty work. These chemical ants are called enzymes, and their only job in life is to aggressively tear your food apart. Imagine a million tiny workers violently smashing a brick wall until it turns into a pile of dust. That is exactly what enzymes do to the complex proteins and fats hiding inside your cheeseburger. But the ants cannot do it alone because the food is way too tough. So your stomach starts pumping out extremely powerful hydrochloric acid. This acid is literally so strong that it could easily melt through solid metal. It also acts like a brutal security system, instantly destroying any bad bacteria that sneaked in on your food. The acid softens up the food, so the enzyme ants can chop it up much faster. But we are still not done, because your stomach is also a massive, angry washing machine. The thick muscle walls of your stomach start flexing and violently churning everything together. It throws the burger, the ants, and the acid into a violent tornado of digestion. After a few hours of this brutal chemical warfare, your delicious burger is completely gone. It has been transformed into a thick, gooey paste called chyme. It is essentially a biological soup that is completely unrecognizable from the food you actually ate. Once the soup is perfectly mixed, a second vault door at the bottom of your stomach slowly opens up. The stomach carefully squirts the liquid into your small intestine, piece by piece. It has to do this slowly because the small intestine is easily overwhelmed by too much acid. The small intestine is where your body actually steals all the good vitamins and energy from the soup. So the next time your stomach makes those loud, embarrassing rumbling noises in a quiet room, just remember that your personal ant army is just doing some loud, heavy construction to keep you alive. Your biology is weird, it is gross, and it is completely amazing. Smash that subscribe button right now if you want to know how that green soup eventually turns into poop.